What's all this noise? Sounds like some mice. Look at her go. Oh, she's using my sanding paddle. How's it looking, baby?
It looks great.
It's the next day, and she's sanding that. It's all hardened up. She's gonna decide whether or not she needs to put some more resin down. I think she should when she gets all done, but
I don't think so.
oh, she doesn't
Come
think.
here and see what you think.
She doesn't think so. Wow.
I mean, it is super, super hard,
Yeah.
and it is.
Well,
The only thing is there's a raised indentation here.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not flush.
No.
Right here,
Yeah.
but they're again not going to see it
No.
unless we paint it.
I don't know. I think you should put some more resin on there. In areas where you think it feels low, you take your glove
like
off.
right here is low.
Yeah.
This area here.
You kind of
So
take your
should
glove
I-
off and then feel there and then put a little bit more on there, let it dry. It dries in a couple hours. And it smells. It smells. That's why we've got the windows open this morning. Went ahead and get some air in here. In fact, we turned the exhaust fan back on. And she's got to make a little run to the store here in a minute, so I think she should put a little bit more resin on. And then in a couple hours, it says it dries in a couple hours, then she could sand it a little bit more. And then we can get ready to put the paint on there. And we went to the store and Home Depot had it. Ah, I need to turn this off. Come on. Okay. I just wanted a little cord of stuff, and this was like $37 just for itself. And it was white, and they also had it in almond. Porcelain-like finish for tubs, sinks, or tile. And we told them it was for fiberglass paint, and not a steel tub or a cast iron tub. But I think this stuff will work for whatever. Okay, and so there's some directions here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, surface preparation cleaner. We can clean the whole side of the surface, and then I think we paint it, and then after that you use the steel wool. I'll read the directions. We might use the steel wool before painting it, cleaning it with this steel wool to get it really super fine. And we got some fine sandpaper too, 150 grit, and we could lightly sand it, and then I'm saying at least 2 coats of this on the patch, and maybe the whole side of the tub. We'll see. But then that's going to finish it off, and we've got all day to kind of mess with that. And while she's doing that, the next thing I got to do is, you remember, I got all these doors. I've let them cure again all day yesterday and last night, and I painted them the day before that. These are all nice and dry. Now I need to get them in there. And remember, I marked the top of every single one of these doors for bedroom 1 through 4, B1, B2, B3. Bedroom 4 would be B4 or master bedroom, MB, stuff like that. And I've got all the closet doors marked, so I know exactly where all the doors go, and I got brand new hinges for everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the hinges on the door frames first. Okay, I just hold the whole hinge up here, and then once I get them screwed in, then I can pop the hinge pin out, set the hinges beside each door, and if there's a little bit of grease, I'll see on the hinge pins if it's slightly greasy. Since I got tile out here, I'll put the pins over here. Don't put them on your carpet, you know. You don't want to do that. Last thing you want is a little grease mark. And then I'll go around and look at the doors, and I'll probably bring them in and kind of set them at an angle, you know, just on one edge of the wall, and let it stick out, and then I can screw the other hinges in, pop those in there. I got door bumpers to put on. I got all the door handles on the new on the painted doors. I got to put all the door handles back in. I got door bumpers to put in. I've got strike plates, all the strike plates to put in, and what else I got to do today? I got smoke alarms to put back on the ceilings. Here's the base covers, and I took the base covers off so that I could paint up there and not have to paint around them all and all that kind of stuff. Here's all the smoke detectors. We took down all the smoke detectors, and I've got some batteries for those. I'll have to. I'm sure they're all going to work, but I'm going to put them in tonight, and then when I come back tomorrow, we'll see if they start chirping or anything. And hopefully they don't. What else do I got to do? I've got closet pulls to put back in. I've got the brackets. See, I ended up taking the brackets out. The closet pulls I took out. Momi kind of put this one back in, and the silly guys who were here, they drilled a hole, and then they drilled a hole right through the sheetrock, and slid it. You see there? They poked a hole all the way into the wall so that they could slide the closet pull all the way in there. They've got other bracket things where you put it on there, and then there's a U-shaped one, and you screw that on there, and then you put them in. But these guys, they decided not to do that. So then I got the brackets. Here's my little door glides for when I put the closet doors back on, and that's why I got that block in there. Remember? Put the block down there before the carpet. And we cut the carpet pad around the block. And I got this light fixture to install right up in there. And then I've got a caulk. I've got to install caulking down on this baseboard. And we first cleaned the base, we painted the base, and cut in the walls to it, mopped the floor, cleaned the floor twice, and now I'm ready to caulk it. And that's the proper way. Because it's white, I'm putting the caulking down last. It'll look nice and finished. Had I have put that caulking down first and then tried to paint the base, that would have been tricky. So finishing off with the caulking, that's what I'm going to do. And I've got the tub. I've got one tub to caulk, so I'm going to do that. I got today and tomorrow, so I'm going to be good because we're trying to get out of here after tomorrow. Okay, we were going to paint the garage too, but we're running out of time. We're running out of time, and the garage actually looks really good. I'm surprised. Lots of garages don't have sheetrock up on the ceiling, and some don't even have it on the walls. And if they do, it's just put on there and maybe taped. Well, this is taped, top skimmed, textured even. And so it's all ready to go. And we've got plenty of paint. We're leaving the new owners plenty of paint. We've got white for the doors. We've got white for the ceilings that we painted. And we've got the wall color inside. So we're going to leave all the paint. We're going to tell the realtor, hey, you can tell the new owners, hey, we ran out of time. But this way they get to decide. Do they want a white ceiling? Do they want the flat ceiling? Do they want the semi-gloss ceiling of white? Do they want the wall color inside here for all the walls? Or do they want white semi-gloss for all their walls? They get to decide all that, and they can have that nice little project as a family affair after they get moved in and all that kind of stuff. So that's how we're going to play that little scenario. Or else this would take me another day to mess with this, plus there was baseboard, plus we'd have to move the washer and dryer to get around there. If you're going to do it right, you might as well do the whole thing, right? There's doors here for where the water heater is and the furnace. The door frames over here, the back, this door going in, they have to repaint, you know, we'd have to repaint that. And yeah, all that's doable. But like I say, we're trying to get out of here. And so we're gonna leave it in this condition. And I think this looks fine. You know, for somebody who wants to buy this house as a starter home, they're gonna love it. Okay? So that's my story for today. I guess I'd better get with it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.